Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by capturing the footage on your Ps5, press Create or save a recent clip. Once saved, copy the file to a USB drive via Media Gallery. This is the fastest, reliable transfer method. Make sure you have your phone or computer ready to receive the file, because YouTube Shorts must be vertical. Once the file is off the Ps5, move it to your phone or a desktop editor, so you can crop and reframe for a 9:16 vertical crop before editing. You now reframe and edit the clip to make it Shorts ready. First, import the footage into a phone editor or desktop program and set the canvas to 9:16, 1080 x 1920. Then trim to 60 seconds or less, and reposition the crop so the main action sits in the vertical frame. This avoids awkward headroom. Once done, add captions and vertical-friendly overlays. Balance audio by lowering game sound and boosting any commentary. And add short royalty-free. You're ready to upload. Use the YouTube app on your phone, choose the vertical file, and make sure the clip shows vertical playback in preview. Add a short title, description, and include #shorts so YouTube treats it correctly. Before publishing, confirm it's under 60 seconds and the subject is framed. If something goes wrong, audio out of sync, wrong crop, or upload failure, reopen your editor, re-encode the file with an H.264 AAC preset, fix the sync, and try the upload again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.